Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to check your monetization requirements. What are the requirements that TikTok needs for you to meet its standard to start monetizing your account? I'm going to show you what are the requirements so you'll be able to work and give your target on the requirement needed to monetize your TikTok. So guys, let's dive in. We're going to open our TikTok now. You open your TikTok. Once you open your TikTok, the next step is okay, let's wait a little for my TikTok to open. The next step is click on your profile picture here. Just click on the profile picture. Sorry guys. Make sure you click on your profile picture. And after you click on the profile picture, the next step you're going to do is click on this your three line. So after that, click on TikTok Studio. Now the next thing is your TikTok Studio. Now we have the analytics, we have the monetization. So here you can just click on view all monetization and you're going to see all your monetization requirement. Now the step for you to be able to monetize your account, you need to first subscribe, second work with an artist, and once you're done with all these, you'll be able to what you can just click on this get notified when I'm eligible. Make sure you can just our program, just click on this. So they're going to notify you once you have subscribed and you have worked with an artist and you'll be able to monetize your TikTok. It's very easy. So if you are looking or you wanted to monetize your YouTube or your TikTok, what you need to do is subscribe and then work with an artist, then you'll be able to monetize your TikTok. So guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share, drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.